Where are you going, sister?
Work.
Why do you look so sad going to work?
Because this lady is always so rude to me.
Is it that Karen lady?
Yeah.
Okay, say this next time you see her.
Okay, I'll try it. Sister at work. Hey, Miss Lady that isn't good at her job. I asked for 2 pumps of vanilla, not 2.5. This needs to be remade. Okay, Karen, no problem. Okay, here you go. You know you gotta stop calling me Karen, just because I want things done properly. I'm sorry. We can always go back to calling you what we used to call you if you'd like. That would be fine. Yes, thank you. No problem at all, asshole.
Oh, great heaven!